The first heaven is also a place of progression for all who have been studious, artistic, and altruistic. If you are like that, the first heaven provides you with the opportunity to learn some more. The student and the philosopher, they have instant access to all the libraries of this world. The real libraries are over there. The painter, for example, has endless delight in the ever-changing color combinations, learns that his or her thoughts blends and shapes colors at will. His or her creations glow and scintillate with a life impossible of attainment with the dull pigments of this physical world. Over there, things are so pliable and alive. They are not dull and static as they are in this physical world. The painter paints with living, glowing materials and is able to execute his or her designs with a facility which fills the soul with delight. Mind you, the physical world is the world of form. The desire world, where we find purgatory, especially the lower aspect of the desire world, where we find heaven, which is the first heaven, the upper area of the desire world. The desire world is actually made up of colors. So all the colors that we see, they are emanations of the desire world, what there is in there. The world of thought, where we have the second and the third heavens, they are the sphere of tone. So all sounds, they are coming from there, the world of thought. The poet finds a wonderful inspiration in the pictures and colors which are the chief characteristics of the desire world. In like manner, does the author accumulate material and faculty. Everything is taken from there. The philanthropist, for example, works out his or her altruistic plans for the upliftment of humanity. Everything is learned over there from the desire world, the higher region, the first heaven. If a person failed in one life, he or she will see the reason for that failure, and that reason is found in the first heaven. The person will learn how to overcome the obstacles and avoid the mistakes made to make that plan practicable in the future. The person understands how come that there was failure now, and in the future time has a means of correction so that the plan will now work for that person. It happens in the first heaven. When virtue and conscience have been sufficiently strengthened, then and only then does the dead leave the desired body to disintegrate, as happened to the dense body and the vital body. So the third body that the spirit is using, the first one being this dense body, the next being the vital body, and the third being the desired body. Once virtue and conscience have been sufficiently strengthened, the spirit drops the third body, the desired body as well, and the desired body disintegrates. The dead takes with him or her the forces only of the seed atom, that is the living information contained in the seed atom. And those information, the forces in the seed atom, they are to form the nucleus of future desire body. Let's talk about the second heaven.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it can build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over.